Okay, hey guys, what's up? Is this lens cleaner? Yeah, I'm just gonna share my thoughts. I'm gonna share my thoughts about this Rustler four-wheel drive from Traxxas. So, if you guys didn't know, you probably have, because again, I am super late with this. I need to get better with this stuff. If I'm trying to be a content creator, I need to make the stuff when it comes out. Okay. Traxxas has, why can't I find the images? Oh, so Traxxas has made a four-wheel drive version of the Rustler. I was debating making this video because I wasn't sure, like I have said before, if there's really a big difference in this vehicle. Again, I'm not trying to knock Rustler, but I'm not knock Traxxas. But you look at this, it's basically just the four-wheel drive chassis, different suspension arms, and different shock towers. Yeah. Now, okay, so I realize upon looking at these two chassis that they're similar. I should have said that they're similar. So you can tell that they based the Rustler 44, the Rustler 4x4 from the /4x4, but you can see that the Rustler is skinnier. It's also shorter. The servo's not in the same position. The battery may not be in the battery's in the same position, but so it's not an exact copy paste, but you can tell that it was inspired by the /4x4. Okay, so let's continue with the video. I know some people may be like, well, Associated and TLR and probably Schumacher and all the big companies, they do reuse chassis. Like you look at the T6, B6, have they made a short course yet? But they all use the same chassis. I do understand that. I do understand that you can use the same chassis for different applications. But I just feel like Traxxas hasn't updated their lineup. They just keep on rebadging the same cars for the past few years. I guess that's really what I'm saying. TLR, Associated, Schumacher, X-Ray, they keep changing stuff and keep on improving things. I just feel like that Traxxas hasn't done that. And it'll be cool when they do. Yeah, I mean, it looks cool. My question to you guys is, why do you think four-wheel drive stadium trucks hasn't taken off? Like four-wheel drive battery buggies are a thing, both 8th and 10th scale. But why do you think that 10th scale four-wheel drive stadium trucks hasn't taken off? Because I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool, but it just hasn't. You had a few companies that made them, and they just haven't taken off. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd like to know what your input is. This would be a fun car to drive. I think it'd be kind of cool to put some carpet tires on it, some proper suspension, and try to make it go around the AstroTurf track. I think that'd be kind of cool. Maybe put I don't even think they make the Bulldog anymore. I know Che Concepts just did the Finisher. But yeah, put one of those bodies on it, make it look as competition as possible, and take it around the track, see what that's like. Oh, another thing I'd like to know what you guys think, but what do you think of this TSM system from Traxxas? If you don't know, I think there's probably different settings to it, but it will help you counter steer. The car will counter steer for you. I honestly don't like it. I think that's where you learn how to drive better, is by learning how to counter steer, knowing when to counter steer, how much to counter steer, instead of having the car do it for you. So okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about those two things I asked you about. I know it's the TSM system. Oh, and why four-wheel drive stadium trucks hasn't gotten some traction. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video or at the track.
It's delicious.